This conference will now be recorded.
No. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the releases, and we have discussed how frequently Salesforce provides the new releases and what are those release names and what are those release dates. How can we check the release dates and the timings by using status.salesforce.com? We have discussed in the previous session, and we have discussed about the various server instances maintaining by Salesforce in each and every region, and how Salesforce is allocating the memory space for each customer. We have discussed in the previous session, and how can we recognize each and every Salesforce org. What is that unique identification number generated by Salesforce, and how can we check our Salesforce organization ID? We have discussed in the previous session. Now, so today we'll see the concept of editions. So we have to understand what exactly an edition and what it indicates, and what are the various editions are available from Salesforce, and what paid editions are available and what free editions are available. We'll see one by one, and what is the significance of each and every edition. That means what kind of features that each edition expose. Okay, we'll see one by one, and then we'll see the difference between the various editions as well, and which edition is most preferable in real-time implementations. Okay, now let's see one by one. Okay, now, so let's see what exactly an edition first. Now, so now tell me, what do you mean by an edition? What did you understood with this word edition basically here? So what exactly an edition? Hmm. New version means it's a release. Now, generally this
It's
word
a
edition
modern,
is not only available. Edition is a
mod,
word, it's not only available for Salesforce. This edition word we are using in so many places also. Like for example, whenever we are having any books also or novels also, we are having the various editions. Edition 1, edition 2, volume 1, volume 2, like that. Then what exactly an edition indicates? So basically, edition describes a collection of features or a group of features which can be accessible by a user. So, as a user, I may be an employee, or I may be a customer, I may be a partner, I may be an end user also, anybody. So, whenever I'm accessing some set of features, then we should require an edition. So, edition describes a group of features which can be accessible by the user. Now, so in this case, now tell me, these editions are available only in Salesforce, or do we have any editions in other softwares available in IT industry? Yes, in other softwares also in IT industry, we are having these editions. Like for example, assume that we have Microsoft Windows. We have previously Windows 7 operating system. Now tell me, do we have any editions in this Windows 7 operating system? Yes. What are those editions? Hmm. We have Windows 7 Basic Edition. We have Windows 7 Home Edition. We have Windows 7 Professional Edition. We have Windows 7 Enterprise Edition. and we have Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. These are the various editions are available over here. So, as part of this Windows 7 operating system itself, we have so many editions are available. Like we have Basic Edition, Home Edition, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited, like that various editions are available here. So, editions are not only available in our Salesforce, editions are available in every software also which we have in IT industry. Even though when you go to that Microsoft Office, we are having editions. Like in Microsoft Office also, in MS Office also, we have few editions are available. In Windows operating system, we have editions. In Oracle database, we have editions. When you go to the .NET, we have editions. So editions are available in every software, not only in Salesforce. Now, so in this case, when coming to the edition describes a group of features or a set of features which can be accessible by a user. Now, as part of Salesforce, Salesforce is providing the features to the users in terms of editions. Salesforce offers the features to the customers in terms of editions. Now, as part of Salesforce, we have two types of editions are available. We have two types of edition, that means two categories. First one, paid editions. Second one, free editions. Okay, first one, paid edition. Second one, free editions. Now tell me, what do you mean by paid edition? What do you mean by free edition? Okay, paid edition means which can be accessible by making the rental amount to Salesforce here. We have to make the payment. Okay, paid editions can be accessible by paying that rental amount to that particular vendor. Now, free edition means hmm, which can be accessible and free of cost without making any payment, without having any rental amount to that Salesforce. Just we can access them on free of cost. So, Salesforce is providing the features to the customers in two categories. Okay, that means first one paid editions, second one free editions. So paid editions means these are the features which we can able to access by paying the rental amount to Salesforce, and the free editions we can access it on free of cost. Then what paid editions are available, what free editions are available from Salesforce. Now let's see, today we'll be digging into the concept here. As part of Salesforce, we have four paid editions are available, two free editions are available. Okay, we have four paid editions, two free editions are available. Then what are those editions? Now let me explain one by one. In each edition, what kind of features Salesforce expose. Now let's see what is the rental amount of each and every edition, what features they will provide, and then how much memory space they will allocate. Everything we'll see one by one here. Okay, now let's see. Let me give that note point here. Edition describes a collection of features can be accessible by the user. Edition describes a collection of features can be accessible by the user to automate the business processes. Salesforce provides Salesforce provides the features to the customers in terms of editions. In terms of editions, we have two categories of editions from Salesforce. First one, paid editions. Second one, free editions. Then what do you mean by this a paid edition? What do you mean by this a free edition? Okay, we'll see one by one. Paid editions are nothing but these editions can be accessible by paying the rental amount to Salesforce. free editions. These editions can be accessible on free of cost. Now, we have these two categories of editions, paid and the free. Paid editions can be accessible by paying the rental amount to Salesforce, and the free editions can be accessible on free of cost. Okay, now, then what paid editions are available? What free editions are available? Now, let me explain. Let's go with the paid editions first. Salesforce provides the below four paid editions. First one, starter edition. Second one, professional edition. Third one, enterprise edition. And the fourth one, unlimited edition. These are the four paid editions are available from Salesforce. We have starter edition, professional, enterprise, and unlimited. These are the four paid editions are available from Salesforce. Then what exactly this each edition, what kind of features this each edition expose? Okay, we'll see one by one, and what is the rental amount of each edition? We'll see one by one. Done with these points, everyone? Now, let's see. Now, let's come to that first edition, starter edition. So, what exactly the starter edition? What kind of features this starter edition offers, and what is the rental cost? Now, let's see. So, basically, this is a basic okay, type of edition introduced by Salesforce. Okay, it's a basic type of edition introduced by Salesforce, which provides basic CRM functionalities in order to automate your customers' data. In order to automate, in order to manage your customers' data, whatever the basic features are required, those basic features will be available as part of this starter editions. Now, in this case, as part of this basic features means what? In order to manage your sales data, to manage the marketing data, to manage the service data, whatever the basic features are required, those basic features will be exposing by the starter edition. Now, so now here in this case, let's see over here. Now, so now here in this case, as part of this starter edition has been designed for the small organizations which are having maximum of 10 users. Okay, whatever the starter edition that we have, starter edition has been designed for the small organizations which are having maximum of 10 users. That means if the 10 employees wants to access this application, then we can go for the subscription of starter edition. Suppose if you're having more than 10 users, more than 10 employees to access this application, then starter edition won't support. We have to go for that next level of subscription, that is professional edition. Okay, now, so now in this case, as part of this starter edition offers the basic CRM functionalities which are used to store your sales data, service data, and the marketing data. But we don't have any customization, no Force.com platform, no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming, only SaaS part is available inside this here. Only SaaS, no platform at all, no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming. So you can't develop any of your custom application. We can't build our own business logics. We can't design our own customized user interfaces. Whatever the features given by Salesforce, just we can use them. But we can't add any more new things. This is the functionality of starter edition. So, starter edition offers the basic functionalities which we can use to automate our business processes. But apart from that, we can't add any more new things. We can't customize the existing features. Whatever the features are available, just we can use them as it is. No changes at all, no customizations, just we can use the features as it is over here. Okay, but we can't build any of your custom application. We can't develop our own applications because Salesforce won't provide force.com platform as part of this starter edition here. Okay, no force.com platform, no development, only SaaS, only ready-made application, ready-made features, just we can use them, that's it. Okay, understood the concept here now? So now in this case, as part of this starter edition, okay, the monthly rental cost is $25. Okay, $25, okay, per month per user license. Each user license cost is $25, okay, per month. Now, observe this one here in this case. Now, suppose for example, now I have a small company. In my company, we have 5 users are available. That means 5 employees. To automate our business data, we are using this Salesforce CRM, which is of type starter edition over here. Now, in this case, how many licenses are required to access this Salesforce application? All these 5 members wants to access my Salesforce application, so that each user should have a separate license. Each user should have a separate license. So totally we have 5 employees are available. That means 5 users. So we need 5 licenses. Each license cost is $25 per month per user license. So totally we have to pay $125 to Salesforce per month. Okay. Each user should have a separate license. This is how Salesforce is avoiding piracy concept in IT industry. That means, for example, here, sometime back, almost 10 to 15 years back, IT industry was in a major problem, that is piracy. So now the IT industry people are investing some billions of dollars. So some hundreds of people, thousands of people spending some years of time, they're putting some effort to develop a software. Now, when coming to the client is purchasing one okay license of software, the same license copy they're installing in hundreds of systems over here. So in this case, the client is not purchasing multiple licenses. They're purchasing only one license copy. The same copy they're installing in hundreds of systems. Because of that, the companies are not getting much profits. Now, for that reason here, when coming to that Salesforce people has avoided that piracy concept by introducing a separate license. Now, let me explain a general scenario so that you can understand very easily. For example, assume that we have a small family. We have a small family. In this family, 4 members are available. Okay, we have 4 family members. We have a father and a mother and a daughter and a son. These are the 4 people are available. So now they have a small family. In that family, they have 4 family members: father, mother, son, and the daughter. These are the 4 people are available. Now in their family, they have a small car. They have a small car. Now they have a small car. Only one car is available over here. Only one car they have. Sometimes father is using the car, sometimes mother is using the car, sometimes son is using the car, sometimes the daughter is using the car. Depends upon their need. Okay, these 4 people are using the car. All the 4 people know how to drive the vehicle over here. Now tell me, in this case, how many driving licenses are required? One is not sufficient because all the 4 members are belongs to the same family. So one license is not sufficient. No, We need four driving licenses separately because the person who is driving that vehicle, that person should have the authorization. That person should have the permission from the government that he is the right person to drive this vehicle on the road. So the driving license is indicating the permission. It is giving the permission to the people to drive this vehicle on the road. So that here depends upon the usage, the people are using this particular vehicle. So that the person who is driving that car, that person should have a separate license. So in this case, the father should have a separate license, mother should have a separate license, daughter should have a separate license, and the son should have a separate license. So totally they need four licenses over here. Now that license will be indicating that permission that he is the authorized person and he is the right person to drive this vehicle on the road. Okay. Now, like the similar fashion, we have our Salesforce R. This is my Salesforce account. This car is nothing but my Salesforce account. Now these family members are nothing but our users. These are nothing but our users. Now this family is nothing but my company or my business. It's my company or it's my business. So now in my company we have four users. That means four employees. These four people may be my employees also, my partners, my customers, my end users, anybody. Totally we have four members are available here. Now we have only one Salesforce account. Now, in this case, the person who wants to log in into your Salesforce account, the person who wants to access your Salesforce application, the person who wants to access your Salesforce data, that person should have a license mandatorily. Without the license, the people can't enter into your Salesforce or they can't touch your application, they can't touch your data. So each user should have a separate license. Depends upon the number of users you would like to add, those many number of licenses we should have as part of your Salesforce org. But as part of this, as part of this starter edition will be applicable for the small organizations which are having maximum of 10 users, not more than that. Okay, because it has been designed for the small organizations which is having maximum of 10 users, not more than that. Okay, understood the concept over here? Now, so now in this case, if you are having some four users are available inside your org, then we need four licenses. So each license cost is what? $25. Total how much we need to pay? $100 per month we need to pay to that Salesforce over here. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now. So now in this case here, let's see. Now let me explain the next edition over here. Before going to that, let me give the note points. Now, starter edition. It offers basic CRM functionalities to be used to automate the customer's data. Customers are business data. It has been defined or designed for the small organizations which are having maximum of 10 users. Now, it provides only SaaS features, but it won't offers the Force.com platform. Force.com platform. That is, we can't customize. We can't customize the applications and we can't build the new applications based on the need. That is, no Apex and no Visual Force programming. Now, the pricing is $25 per month per user license. For example, if I'm having some 5 users in the company, then we have to pay 5 into 25, total $125 per month. Note, each user should have a separate license to access the organization. Each user should have a separate license, okay, to access the account. That is a fundamental principle. Done with this one? Now, this is the first edition introduced by Salesforce as part of paid. The first one, starter edition, which offers only the basic CRM functionalities to automate your customers' data or business data. Now, the second edition here, professional. Yes, one user. Now, in this case here, Salesforce is giving the limitation with one user credentials, maximum 10 people can log in, not more than that. So in that case, from all the places, it will be tracking the same user information, right? Same username, password the people are using. Suppose if anybody did some modifications, then how can we track who did the modification? For all the people, same username, password they are using. From different locations, they're logging into the application. So then we can't track who did that modification. It will be raising some conflicts. That is a problem. So that here, for every user, we are maintaining separate license. Okay. Second one, professional edition. So basically, professional edition offers the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. That means just now we have discussed that starter edition that can be accessible only for the small organizations which are having maximum of 10 users. For example, in my company, I'm having 50 users, 100 users, 200 users, 500 users are available for which I would like to use my Salesforce CRM. So in that case here, we can go with the help of professional edition. So professional edition offers the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. You may be having 10 users or 100 users or 1000 users also. This edition will support to access that, and that the two, this is professional edition will offer the complete CRM functionalities. Whatever the SaaS features that we have, we can able to access the SaaS features, and then we can do the customizations through declaratively. Declaratively means what? Without writing any code. Then how can we do the modifications? How can we create the application? How to write the business logics? And how can we design the user interfaces by using mouse clicks? By using drag and drop features, we can design our own user interfaces. We can build our own business logics by using some automation rules. But no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming. Here also, no Force.com platform. In professional edition also, we don't have any Force.com platform. We can't build our own custom business logics. We can't build our own custom user interfaces through programming here. Through programming, we can't do. Now, if you want to build some business logics, if you want to design some user interfaces, then we can use the help of mouse clicks. Through mouse clicks, by using drag and drop options, by click on next kind of navigations, we can design certain user interfaces. So that facility is available. That means here also no coding option. So starter edition also no coding, professional edition also no coding over here. Here purely declarative customization. Declarative customizations means without writing any code, without having any technical skills, okay, without using any programming languages, just by using some mouse clicks, we can able to build some functionalities over here. This is a major advantage that we have in Salesforce. That's what here so many clients are preferring to use Salesforce application. So because when you go to some other programming, like for example, Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, wherever you go, from day one, it is purely coding part. From day one, it's purely coding, 100% coding programming here. From day one to the day last, it will be purely coding. But in Salesforce, most of the features are available in Salesforce, which we can able to build without writing any code, without using any programming language, without writing any code, just by using the mouse clicks, we can able to build them. That is called as a declarative customization. Suppose if the feature is very, very complex, if that is not at all possible through mouse clicks, then we can go for Force.com platform. That is called as programmatic customization. Declarative customization, programmatic customization. Declarative customizations means what? Without writing any code, we can able to build the functionalities, we can make the changes. Because customizations means making the changes here. Customizing in the sense changes over here. Okay, now. So now here in this case here. Now, whenever we are doing the changes, we are having declarative, programmatic. Declarative means what? Without writing any code, just by using mouse clicks. Programmatic means by using some programming, by using Apex and by using Visual Force. Now, as part of this professional edition offers the declarative customizations. It offers the complete CRM functionalities to automate your customers' data, to automate your business data, okay, for any team size. You may be having 10 users or 50 users or 100 users also, 1000 users also. We can go for this professional edition, which purely offers the complete CRM features along with the declarative customizations by using mouse clicks. But here also, we don't have any Force.com platform, no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming here. Okay, clear? Now, so now in this case, as part of this professional edition, what is the rental cost? They are charging $80 per month. $80 per month. Till August, okay, till this last August only here. Now it is November, almost November last. Now till August, okay, they have given that, okay, professional edition for $75 per month. But since last October, they have introduced that, okay, $80 here. Okay, $5 they have increased. Okay, so now from last October, okay, that means from last month onwards, they have introduced this, okay, license will be on $80 per month. Previously, we have $75 per month. Okay, So each professional edition license cost is $80, okay, per month per user license. Okay. Now let's see. Make a note of this one. It offers complete CRM functionalities to be used to automate the business processes. Now, it can be applicable for any organization for any team size. Now, it provides the declarative customizations to customize the application features based on the need by using mouse clicks. By using mouse clicks. Note. But it won't offer Force.com platform to build the custom features by using programming. Now the pricing is $80 per month per user license. Done with this? Next. The next one, Enterprise Edition. So basically, Enterprise Edition offers the complete CRM functionalities for any team size, and it introduced Force.com platform also to build your own custom applications, to design your own customized user interfaces, to build the custom business logics by using Apex programming and Visual Force programming. That means Force.com platform has been introduced from Enterprise Edition onwards. Before this Enterprise Edition, whatever the two editions that we had, like as whatever the Starter Edition, Professional Edition, in these two editions, we don't have any Force.com platform. We can't use Apex and Visual Force programming. But from Enterprise Edition onwards, they have introduced the Force.com platform, which we can use to build our own custom functionalities by using Apex and Visual Force programming language. So now in this case, by using this Enterprise Edition, we can able to build your own custom applications also. Customize the user interfaces we can design. Custom business logics also we can build. It may be for any organization also. It may be for banking or finance or insurance or healthy care, pharmaceutical, consulting, construction, any organization also we can build your own custom business logics as well here. Now, so in order to build your own custom applications, then we can use the help of the minimum edition is enterprise edition onwards. Okay, clear? Now, so now here in this case, as part of this enterprise edition here, so now they are going to be charging $165 per month per user license. Okay, each enterprise edition license cost is $165 per month per user license. Previously, till September, it will be okay. It was some $150 per month, but now they are going to be charging $165 over here. Each enterprise edition license cost is $165 per month. Okay, now let's see. It offers the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. By using enterprise edition features, we can access all the sales, service, and marketing features, and we can build the custom applications from a business logics and user interfaces with the help of Force.com platform. Force.com platform, that is by using Apex and Visual Force programming. Now, now the pricing. Pricing will be $165 per month per user license. Each enterprise edition license cost is $165 per month per user license. Done with this? Next, the last one, unlimited edition. So, what exactly the unlimited edition? What kind of features unlimited edition exposed to the customers, and what is the rental price? Now, let's see. Basically, unlimited edition offers the complete CRM functionalities, okay, complete CRM functionalities, and along with unlimited CRM power and the CRM support from Salesforce.com support team on 24/7. So by using this unlimited edition, we can able to access unlimited CRM functionalities. We can create our own custom applications also, like as a banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, pharmaceutical. Like that, we can build how many n number of application, unlimited number of applications we can develop by using this unlimited edition as well. And along with that, we can able to customize the unlimited number of functionalities also. Whatever the new customized user interfaces that you want, whatever the new custom business logics that you want, everything we can build by using this unlimited edition of Salesforce. Now, so in this case, as part of this unlimited edition, it offers the Force.com platform also. It offers Force.com platform also. With the help of this Force.com platform, we can able to build our own custom applications also. And we can integrate our Salesforce applications with the third party systems as well. Okay, we can integrate. Like for example, come to a small scenario. Assume that. For example, today I'm purchasing a product through Amazon. So that we are using this Amazon here. For example, I'm going to that Amazon application. I'm going to the Amazon. Today I want to buy a product. For example, I would like to buy a mobile product over here. This is a mobile product here. I'm selecting this. Now I would like to choose this mobile product over here, which is a OnePlus. I'm selecting the product. Now the product is good. Configuration is good. Color also good. Features are also good. Now I'm ready to buy this product here. Now once you are selecting the product, we have to make the payment. Click on buy now. As soon as once you click on this buy now, it will ask you to select the delivery address here. So I'm indicating delivery address. Now use this address. Now I would like to make the payment. So now select the payment method. In order to make that payment method, for example, I'm selecting net banking. I'm selecting net banking. Now, whenever I'm selecting this bank name, like for example, some ICICI, okay, I'm selecting ICICI Bank to make the payment over here. Use this a payment method. Okay, use this payment method. Now, click on. Now it is indicating this. Now the delivery will be tomorrow between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The delivery will be available. Okay, which is a free delivery over here. Because I'm having that Prime membership over here. Okay, I'm having this a Prime membership over here. That's what I'm having the free delivery. The two it's a fast delivery, which is for Prime customers. Prime customers in the sense the people who are having Amazon Prime Videos subscription. The people who are having the subscription to Amazon Prime Videos, those customers will be called as Prime customers. For those Prime customers, they will be giving the fast delivery. That means in the next day itself, they will be delivering the product on free of cost. Suppose if he is a non-Prime customer, that means a basic customer here. They don't have any Amazon Prime subscription. For those people, they will take some 2 to 3 days of time to deliver the product, and that two delivery charges will be applicable over here. Okay, now. So now yet they are indicating that okay, place your order and pay. When you click on this pay button, what will happen? It will redirect me to that ICICI Bank application because I have selected the payment option as ICICI Bank. Now this is ICICI Bank from where we have come over here from Amazon. So that means what? Amazon application is integrated with ICICI Bank. That means both are communicating, both are connected. That means both are integrated. Okay, so the product selection can be done from Amazon, and then payment should be done from any of the banking systems over here. Now, so now once you are done with the payment over here, after entering your user ID and the password, once you click on pay button, money will be transferring to that Amazon people, and then automatically it will be redirecting back to that Amazon application. That means both are communicating. This is called as integrations. Now, Amazon application has been developed by using a different programming, and the ICICI Bank application has been designed by using different programming. Both are communicating, both are interchanging the data over here. So, in order to make the two applications communicated, we are going to be using a feature called as integration. Okay, integrating the applications means making two applications can talk to each other, making two applications can communicate with each other, they can exchange the data, they can exchange the business logics. Okay, now, so in this case, by using this unlimited edition, we can able to integrate your Salesforce application with any third party systems also. Once an application has been built, then don't make that application as an independent system. We can integrate that application with the third party systems also, with the Java applications, with the .NET applications, with the SAP application, with the mainframe application, with the banking application, with the finance application, with any application we can integrate. That facilities are available as part of this unlimited edition. And along with that, by using this unlimited edition, we can able to build our own app exchange products also. App exchange products means what? We can develop our own Salesforce of products. These products we can able to give to the various people on rental basis so that we can generate some revenue. We can do some business also here. Like whatever the way Salesforce people are offering the services to us on rental basis, like the similar way, by using this unlimited edition, we can build our own softwares also. It may be a banking application also, finance application also, insurance application also, sales application also, anything. We can develop our own application. This application we can able to sell out to various people on rental basis so that we can generate some business as well. We can generate some revenue also. That facility is available as part of unlimited edition, so that we can able to build our own app exchange products. App exchange products. Then what is app exchange? How to go to app exchange? How many products are available? How to use them? We'll see in upcoming sessions over here. Okay, clear now. In this case, whenever if you want to access this unlimited edition of Salesforce, we have to pay $330 per month per user license. Each unlimited edition license cost is $330 per month per user license. Okay, understood the concept over here? Now, let's make a note of this one here, each and every point. Sometimes in the entry point of view, they may be raising a question. Okay. Sometimes in the entry point of view, they may be raising a question. So right now you are working for a project in your company for one of your client on Salesforce. Whenever we are putting some experience on Salesforce, upon attending the interviews, they will raise a question. Currently, you are working on Salesforce for a specific client. Now, whatever the Salesforce application that we are using, that application edition is what? What kind of Salesforce edition that we are using currently for your Salesforce application? For your current project, what is that edition that we are using? Are you using a professional edition, or enterprise edition, or starter edition, or unlimited edition? 95% of the companies are using unlimited edition. 95% of the companies are using unlimited edition, because in unlimited edition we can develop unlimited number of custom applications, like as one banking application, one finance application, one insurance, one healthcare, like that n number of applications we can develop. There is no limitations at all. In future, if you need any support, if you need any help from salesforce.com support team, we can get that help also from salesforce.com support team on free of cost. On free of cost, you will be getting the help from salesforce.com support team also. That facility is available over here. Okay, understood the concept here? If anybody asks a question in the interview point of view, for your current project, which edition that we are using, then say confidently we are using unlimited edition of Salesforce. Okay, now make a note of this one. Now it offers the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. For any team size, it provides the unlimited CRM features and unlimited customizations by using Force.com platform. By using this edition, We can build unlimited number of custom applications. Unlimited number of custom applications, and we can integrate them with any external system. External system. For example, we can build the banking application, finance application, insurance, healthcare, pharma related, any kind of applications we can able to build. Next, we can build the app exchange products, app exchange products based on the need. Now, the pricing $330 per month per user license. So each unlimited editions license cost is $330 per month per user license. Done with this? Next. These are the 4 paid editions are available from Salesforce. Now, so let's see. Salesforce is not only offering the paid editions, they have introduced 2 free editions also. They are introducing 2 free editions. First one, a 30 days a trial account. Okay, first one, a 30 days a trial account. Second one, a free developer edition that is also called as a permanent account that is also called as a lifetime account. Now, so now tell me in this case, 30 days a trial account means what? Right. So that means what? The lifetime of that account will be maximum 30 days. So within this 30 days, we can able to use this application. Once the 30 days are over, automatically the account will be getting locked. That will be deactivated by Salesforce. Now, so because the validity of that account will be only 30 days. So in this 30 days of time, whatever the applications we have built, whatever the features we have developed, whatever the data we have stored, the whole functionalities will be lost once the 30 days are over. And then we can raise a question, sir, do we have any chance to activate my account again? Okay, by contacting Salesforce, no chance. Once account has been deactivated, we can't reactivate that account again. There is no such kind of possibilities over here. So whatever the 30 days trial accounts that we have, 30 days trial accounts can be accessible only for 30 days. So within the 30 days, whatever the features we have implemented, whatever the records or data we have stored, the whole functionalities in the data will be lost. You can't get it back again. There is no such options. Okay, now that is the first one. Second one, a lifetime account or a permanent account that is also called as free developer edition. Okay, free developer edition. Now, In this case, this is a free developer edition account we can access lifelong. No expiration date over here. There is no expiration date. We can access this account lifelong also. Now, this free developer edition offers almost equivalent features like as your unlimited edition. Whatever the features are available in unlimited edition, almost equivalent features are available in free developer edition also with a different bandwidth. With a different bandwidth, it is providing almost equivalent features. Now, the different bandwidth means what? Now, let me explain. For example, in this case, in unlimited edition also, we are able to access CRM features. In free developer edition also, we can access same features. In unlimited edition, we can able to access force.com. Here also we can access force.com. Here we can able to build unlimited number of applications in unlimited edition. In your free developer edition, we can develop maximum of 10 custom applications, not more than that. That means bandwidth is restricted over here. Application feature is available in both the places, but in unlimited edition, you can create unlimited number of applications, but in the free developer edition, I can create only 10. Okay, next. In unlimited edition, we can able to create 2000 objects. That means 2000 tables we can create. Here we can able to create only 400 tables. Now in unlimited edition, in each table we can add 800 columns. Now here, if in each and every table we can add 500 columns, not more than that. In unlimited edition, we can send maximum of 20 lakhs emails per day. Per day, in that means in 24 hours, we can send 20 lakhs email notifications. By using your free developer edition, we can send maximum of 150 emails per day, not more than that. That means features are available at both the places, but the bandwidth will be limited here. So there we have more limit. Here we have very, very less limit is available. That is bandwidth will be different over here. Okay, clear now. So now here in this case, you can raise a question, sir. Do we have any chance that my free developer edition will be getting deactivated? Yes, there is a possibility. When Salesforce will deactivate, if you are not logging into your free developer edition since last 6 months, since the last 6 months here. Previously, the time period was 1 year, that means 360 days, but now they have reduced to 6 months only here. In the last 6 months, if you did not log into your Salesforce account, automatically Salesforce will deactivate your account by default here. But before deactivating your Salesforce account, 2 months before itself, 2 months prior to deactivation, Salesforce will be keep on sending some email notifications to you. Dear customer, you have a Salesforce account. This is your organization ID, but we have observed since last 4 months you are not using this Salesforce account. You did not log into our Salesforce account. As per our company policy, if you are not using the account since the last 180 days, that means 6 months, we'll be deactivating the account automatically. If you want to continue to use the account, log into the account, you can continue to access. Suppose if you don't want to continue, just leave it as it is, and so date we will be deactivating the account by default here. The whole data will be lost, that memory will be erased over here, then automatically that memory will be allocating to a different Salesforce account by default. Okay, clear? Now make a note of this one, free editions. Salesforce provides the below two free editions. First one, here 30 days a trial account. This can be accessible only for 30 days. This can be accessible only for 30 days, which is equivalent to professional edition. Now, in this case here, For example, in the paid account means what? We are making the payments, right? Until or unless you are not, okay, we are not, we are keep on continue to pay the amount, your account will be accessible as it is. If you are not paying that amount, automatically you can't access the application from there onwards. If you want to continue to use that account after 2 months or after 3 months, we can contact Salesforce, we can continue to use that one. But your data will be safe over there. For 6 months, I will keep your data as it is. Okay? We can't get back that here. Okay? Now, second one, a free developer edition. It is also called as permanent account or lifetime account. This account can be accessible lifelong, which provides almost equivalent features like unlimited edition, but with a different bandwidth. But with a different bandwidth. Now, it offers complete CRM functionalities and full StatCom platform, comma integration features, and we can build app exchange products also. These are the various editions are available as part of your Salesforce arc. We have 4 paid editions and the 2 free editions are available from Salesforce. So as part of our sessions, we are going to be creating a free developer edition over here, which we can able to access lifetime access also without any expiration date. Okay. Then how can we create our own Salesforce account? Okay, we'll see in tomorrow's session here. Tomorrow we'll see the practical concept of how can we create a free developer edition. We'll see practically in tomorrow's session here. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue with the features over here. Then how can we do that? How to create our own Salesforce account? I will show you with the practical how to access them. What are the features are available here? Everything we'll see one by one. Okay. Now, thank you. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we have the session at normal timings at same time here. Okay, 5 o'clock
Thank
we'll
you,
have the
sir.
session. 5 to 7 we'll be having.
Thank you, sir.
Because today we should not